I'm Hunter Carr, work for FG Haggerty. I'm one of the Coiline operators. Well, on the initial install, you know, I had a lot of questions on it. Didn't know very much about it at the time. But Steve and all the guys, when they got here, we actually got it all put together. And we got it all running. It all went really smooth, and it kind of all fell into place, really. I mean, it pretty much has a mind of its own. So all you got to do, you know, is just pretty much put it in, stand at the end, and catch it when it comes out. The old way, you have to, you know, cut it out in the plasma, run it through each machine that it needs. And, you know, you're talking about the Pittsburghs, the mill on the Pittsburghs, any of the TDF, anything like that. Each piece has to be run on each side, you know, and everything like that. So you're talking, I don't know, let's say if we have a job that we're making 10 pieces of duck, you're talking about an hour right there compared to the Coiline, which would take 10 minutes. I mean, huge difference. You start with your S and drive and TDF. You have to adjust those as well as your notches. But I mean, it's really simple as far as, you know, Scott did show us on the notches, you know, how many rolls in this, which that helped a lot too. So we have a starting point. And after that, I mean, you just put it into the controller and watch it go through. I'm sure I could bring somebody in within 30 minutes to an hour. I could have him running stuff out of there just as well as I could.
You love the machine?
Oh, I love the machine.
My name's Chris Weaver. I'm the supervisor here at FG Haggerty Fabrication in Wichita Falls, Texas. Quite a few of our other machines are Engel brand. It's a well-known brand that we've had throughout the shop in the 18 years that I've been doing the business. And my supervisor had seen an Engel line run at another shop and pretty impressed, and that's the decision he made, was to go with Engel. I just think that the user-friendly nature of most of their machines and the readily available parts. If you have something go wrong, most of the technicians can help you solve that problem over the phone and everything. So today, I mean, it's a great tool to have in the shop. I mean, you're fab time on straight duck is a third of the time now is what it was before. Wish that I had a machine a lot sooner than now, but it's a great machine. Production's probably increased just on the straight duck, I'd say 75–80%, faster time on production on your straight duck alone. Now you can make pieces in one full wrap versus 4 pieces when you're cutting it on a plasma table. So just faster time for my guys in the shop. He loves it, and he's a great fit for that machine. He took it on pretty easily. When the guys were setting up, he was right there in their back pocket, learning everything day to day, and I don't have any problems just turning it over to him and letting him run it.
Made his job a little bit easier?
Yes, much easier. One thing is, it frees up 1 or 2 more of your hands. You can have one guy running this Coiline and maybe one guy there on the end taking it off, versus you've got one guy cutting it on a plasma, another guy running through a Pittsburgh machine, another guy on the brake. With the Engel Coiline, it's just all in one. It frees up shop hands and everything like that. I think it's a long-term investment, but over the years, the time you're saving on fabrication, it just puts it in the field faster. So, I mean, it'd be a smart choice if you're in this business for the long haul.
Are you happy with the machine?
Very happy, very happy. Now that the initial setup is over with, it's a great machine, great machine. If it wasn't for Scott, I think the initial setup might have taken a little longer than what it actually did. Scott was here, hands-on. A lot of times, some salesmen, you don't see that. And I mean, he went above and beyond what most salesmen do to help you get a machine set up. And I'm very thankful for that, and I appreciate it.